In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your boating license in Florida. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To start, Florida doesn't have a traditional boating license. However, it does have boating safety education requirements for people born on or after January 1st, 1988, who operate a motorized vessel of 10 horsepower or more. So I'm gonna go over how you can get all of the information required for the safety education identification card. You can find all of this information available on this website, Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. So myfwc.com. When you arrive at this page, you can browse through a lot of categories, and what you are looking for is this boating safety education identification card. So to keep it simple, you need to complete a boating safety course. This is going to be an NASBLA approved course. You can take an in-person or online course approved by the National Association of State Boating Law Administrators. Next, after completing the course and passing the exam, you will receive a temporary certificate valid for 90 days. With this done, you can provide your course completion certificate to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, and the FWC will issue you a boating safety education ID card. With this done, you will be able to use essentially the boating license. Now, there are many places to take the approved courses. You will be able to find it available here on this page, and all of the websites and phone numbers will be listed. So you can choose between classroom courses available in these locations. So they have 5 companies listed for classroom courses or online courses on any of these websites. Some of these are going to be free, while others will have a cost attributed to them. So all that you have to do is visit this page and you will be able to get it done. So as you can see, anyone born on or after January 1st, 1988 must have a boating safety education identification card to legally operate a boat in Florida. So whenever you complete this, you just have to hold this boating safety course license for usually 90 days, and you will be issued a boating safety education ID card by the FWC. So all of the information will be available here, and you will be able to use it. You can submit a request for the boating safety education ID card to the FWC and include your course completion certificate or card and all of the information needed. So send it to this address here, or mail the information to the address listed here as well. Choose whichever option you prefer and you will be able to get it done. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your boating license in Florida. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.